Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Aware Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding count occurrences in text. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the panda schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads: we are given a table called files with two different columns, file name and context. File name is the column with unique values of this table. Each row contains file name and the content of that file. We are asked to write a solution to find the number of files that have at least one occurrence of the words bull and bear as a standalone word, respectively, disregarding any instances where it appears without space on the either side. That is, bullet, bears, bull, period, or bear at the beginning or end of a sentence will not be considered. Okay. Return the word bull and bear along with the corresponding number of occurrences in any order. Let's go through this example. So here, what we have is, we have three different files, it seems, right? We have drafts1.txt, drafts2.txt, and drafts3.txt. Okay, now if we look at how many times the word bull with a space before and after comes. So there is 1, 2, and 3, right? So bull appears thrice, and if we look at bear, so we have 1 and 2, right? So bull appears thrice and bear appears 2. So to solve this question, what we can do is, we can firstly try to find out how many times the word bull with a space before and after the word appears. If it appears as such, assign the value 1, else assign the value 0, and perform a sum that is going to give you the count of the number of times this bull appears. Similarly, we can do the same for bear and union the two. So what I'm going to do is, let's do this. So let's firstly find out, and in our output we need the column name as word. So what I'm going to do is, from this table called files, right? So this is the name of the table, files. What I'm going to do is, return me the word bull as word, because that is what we need as the first name of the column, right? Word. And then if my content is like, it should be anything space bull space anything, right? If this is the word that you find in the content, then you assign the value 1, else you assign the value 0, and you perform the sum of this. So that is going to give us, let me just bring this down so that it's easier for us to visualize. So perform the sum of this, and let's alias this as, we need this as the column called count. So as count, let me go ahead and run this. Let's see if we get the correct number for bull or not. Okay, if we look at this, what we have here is, we have for bull 3, right? And that is what was expected. Now we can do the same for bear and union the two. So what I'm going to do is, let me just copy this entire thing, right? Because we need to just change one thing here, union, and then let's paste it here, and instead of bull we need it as bear. And if the content is like bear, then you return 1, else you return 0. Sum this up, that is going to give you the count. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is exactly same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit this to pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted, and this is how to do it. So yes, somewhat tricky question. What we basically had to do was, firstly, what we did was, from this table called files, we tried to see that whether there is a word called bull with a space before and after it. If there was, we assigned the value 1, else we assigned the value 0, and if we perform the sum, that is going to give us a count of the bull word. Similarly, we went ahead and do that for bear word, and we performed the union so that we have both the counts for bull and bear. So that's how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.